Good morning.
I'm sorry.
No, you're okay.
Let me put her on the middle.
Okay.
So it'll be better for you.
Well, I was gonna just take it across right here.
Oh, you want to do that?
Yeah, because I could just set it up and do easy over there.
Let's take my jugs out of here.
Okay.
I need some bills today.
I understand that. So your main concern is the back seat?
Yeah. Yeah, that's my main concern.
The stain, yeah, okay. And just the carpet and just the interior wipe down?
I'm sorry?
And just the interior wipe down of the console and everything?
Yeah.
Okay, too easy.
You're gonna do the front also, right? All
Yes, I'm gonna do everything inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so now that the vacuuming is done, the customer's main concern was this: the seats are stained. Might be oil, might be gas, might be a combination of dirt. I'm going to show you how to lift this out of your seat to get your seats looking brand new. Here's the before. I'm going to show you the after. ready to check it out? Tell me what you think.
I was watching. You did a lot of work.
Oh yeah,
No?
yeah.
And
Thank you so much.
thank you very much.
You gonna check to see how you like it?
I know I'm gonna like
Oh,
it.
you know you're gonna like it.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. You know. And I was watching you like you even vacuum
The trunk.
the trunk.